Ever wish you could instantly reuse those killer animations you spent hours perfecting in Adobe Animate? Let's dive into how to save and reuse your armature animations, making your creative process fly faster than ever before. First, open your Adobe Animate project with an animation using the Armature tool. If you don't have one, quickly rig a character with the armature and create a simple animation. Then choose a section of your animation that you would like to save for later use. Next, pay close attention to the timeline. Select the range of frames, meaning the keyframes, that contain your animation. If you want to save the entire animation, you'd select everything. These are the frames that the character goes through a full action. With those frames selected, right-click on any of the selected frames on the timeline. In the menu that appears, find and select the Create Movie Clip option. You'll be prompted to name your movie clip. Give it a descriptive name, like Walk Cycle or Punch Animation, so you'll recognize what it is later on. Click OK. It's time to locate the newly saved movie clip. Open your library panel. You should see your new animation store as a movie clip. This is now a reusable asset. You can drag this from the library onto the stage in any other Animate project. Now, you can easily add your saved animation to any other project. Simply drag the movie clip from the library onto your stage and it's there. If you have multiple characters, you can place them together, allowing them all to perform the same animation. You've successfully saved and reused your armature animation. This trick saves you time and effort with efficient workflows. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tips and tricks.